Yo, chat. Yo, chat. Yo, chat. Y'all want to see my new?
There, the entrance is right left. Left. Right here.
Yeah. Yo, chat. Yo, chat. Y'all want to see my new car, y'all?
We was here 15 minutes ago.
Y'all want to see my new car, chat?
We ready?
Wait, I should low-key put my window up.
We ready? They'll take us in.
Yo, chat. Y'all want to see my new car reveal, y'all? Y'all want to see new car reveal, chat? Yo, chat. Yo, chat. Yo, chat. Y'all want to see my new car? Let me show y'all. So a lot of people.
If I didn't say shit, we wouldn't be here.
Y'all want to see it? Let me show y'all my new car, bro. Let me show y'all my new car. Let me show y'all my new car. You my keys? Let me show y'all my new car, chat. Let me show y'all my new car. I just bought it for maybe $1 million.
Henry, before we get out, go tell all these camera people not to get in our way. Okay. We got you. Wait. There's like 40 of them. They all crowd you.
Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all my new car, chat. What the fuck is that?
Everybody say that.
There you go. All right, let's go. Yo, chat. Let me show my. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Come on. Yo, chat, let me show my new car. What's good? Is this it right here? Come here. Welcome to my new car that I just bought for $1 million, man. See my Ishowspeed Huracan. Hey, where my keys at? Custom made car, man. Hey, yo, can I get the keys? Chat, W-Rail car.